HECM HERO, a revolutionary sales software and included training. So if you're looking for HECM HERO, if you're looking for an easier sales process, you have found the right place. Let's take a look. So HECM HERO can be a standalone product. And now that's $217 a month, but it is also included at different membership levels. So, take a look at what you actually want, because in my opinion, we bundled things into a really cost savings way for people, and it includes a lot. So HECM Hero is available at the Hero and the Superhero membership level, and it's just a little bit more per month, but you get a whole lot of things in there. So let's take a look just at HECM Hero. What are we looking at? Once you're actually in the HECM Hero course, what do you get? Well, first, you get what to expect. So we're going to send an email to our team members, make sure they're setting up your account as soon as you purchase this. And this gives you a little context as to what to do if you don't get access to that. If for some reason you get stuck in spam or, something or other. And then we go straight into how it actually works. Now, it's really important that with your purchase, you're watching all of these, because there are different scenarios. You need to be aware of how it works, best practices, and how to make HECM Hero work for your business. So how HECM Hero works, start there. Then there's an iPhone app. This lesson actually walks you through how to get that on your phone, and you can send that link to unlimited number of people. So if you wanted to send that to 30 different financial planners or 30 different realtors, or maybe you have a client who's on the fence and continually bugging you for updated numbers, give them their own link. Have them download it on their phone. Some of your raving fan clients would love to have access to look at numbers for their friends. So that is all possible now with HECM Hero. Orientation to the software itself, then your dashboard. This is a really important module. Make sure that you're dialing in your parameters, right? The HECM Hero allows you to no longer have to individually price. You've set some parameters. There's current interest rates already included and indexed. There's a rate sheet indexed. So you've got to set your parameters so that you're not accidentally letting people price loans that you can't actually do, either because they're way too low in rate and price and comp. Maybe you can actually structure a reverse so that you have to pay to get it closed. Or maybe you're structuring it way too high where you're no longer competitive at all. So really dial in your dashboard to meet your needs and the needs of your company. Then we're going to go into different scenarios using HECM Hero. So there's different scenarios and what it spits out. Sometimes we get questions on, hey, this is what the message to me was. What does that mean? Well, if you've gone through your training, you'll understand exactly what's going on there and how to take that file and the information given to you, and maybe you're using some of the course modules from the mastery course, or maybe even just the master classes, applying a little bit of know-how, and then maybe the file can qualify or can get some results. Maybe you've got to go up in value. Any of these situations, right? It's a little interesting, right? A fixed rate with Elisa, a fixed rate without Elisa. You want to be well prepped on how the software operates and how to operate within the software when you're in here. All right. Welcome to HECM Hero. We are so glad to have you. You are part of changing the face of retirement in America, making reverse mortgages more accessible, easier to understand, and being the advisor. Through HECM Hero, through Reverse Mortgage Coach, we've got your back so that you know you can handle any situation.